Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the awesome world of essential life skills for kids. I'm talking about those superpowers that'll help them conquer any challenge life throws their way. Get ready for an epic adventure, complete with laughter, teamwork, and some serious resilience building. First up, we're tackling the art of communication. Because let's be honest, kids saying "I don't know" just doesn't cut it. We want our little ninjas to express themselves clearly, listen attentively, and understand the power of body language. Think of it as their secret weapon for acing school presentations, negotiating with siblings, and maybe even charming their way to an extra cookie. Next, we're entering the realm of critical thinking. We're not raising robots, people. We want our kids to question everything, analyze information, and make decisions based on logic and reason. It's about empowering them to be independent thinkers, problem solvers, and savvy consumers of all the information thrown at them in this crazy world. Now, let's talk teamwork, because life's not a solo mission, right? We're teaching our kids the importance of collaboration, respecting different perspectives, and contributing to a shared goal. Think sports teams, group projects, or even just cleaning up the playroom together. It's all about fostering that we're in this together spirit. Time to get those creative juices flowing. We're talking imagination, innovation, and thinking outside the box. It's about encouraging our kids to explore different art forms, come up with ingenious solutions, and express themselves in unique ways. Who knows, we might have a future Picasso or a tech genius in the making. Okay, buckle up because life throws curveballs. That's where adaptability comes in. We're teaching our kids to be flexible, adjust to new situations, and bounce back from setbacks. Think of it as their superpower for dealing with unexpected changes, embracing new experiences, and navigating the ever-evolving world around them. Now let's dive into the heart of it all, empathy. We want our kids to understand and share the feelings of others, show compassion, and offer support. This means teaching them to listen attentively, recognize different perspectives, and act with kindness and understanding. It's about building a generation of caring, compassionate individuals who make the world a better place. Life isn't always rainbows and butterflies, so we need to equip our kids with resilience. This means teaching them to persevere through challenges, learn from their mistakes, and bounce back stronger than ever. It's about instilling a never-give-up attitude, fostering a growth mindset, and empowering them to overcome any obstacle that comes their way. Last but not least, we're talking self-regulation. Think of it as their inner superhero managing emotions, controlling impulses, and staying focused. We're teaching our kids to recognize their feelings, develop coping mechanisms, and make thoughtful choices even under pressure. This superpower is essential for navigating social situations, handling stress, and achieving their goals. So there you have it, the 8 superpowers every kid needs to thrive. Remember, parenting is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, have fun, and celebrate every step of the way as your little superheroes unlock their full potential. And hey, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, keep on rocking parenthood.